Chirpy Bird. Hi guys, this is Bert from Chirpy Bird. So today I'm gonna do a mic comparison on Franken SM-1 and Neumann TLM 102. So I'm gonna use a Mackie mixer. So it's a 10 channels mixer, and everything will be flat, fader at unity, except that Franken will need lesser gain compared to Neumann TLM 102. So let's start. So I'm gonna off my clip mic and on with the Neumann mic. So this is the Neumann, and then follow up with Franken. So sound check 1 2, sound check 1 2, sound check 1 2, sound check 1 2. Mic test 1 2, mic test 1 2, mic test 1 2, mic test 1 2. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. So I guess that's about it. And please leave a comment on what you think about both this mic, or which one you prefer. And do help us to like the video and also share out the video to your friends. And see you guys next time. Thank you.